In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock adult websites on Chrome. This walkthrough is intended for adults using their own personal devices and networks, and it assumes you're complying with local laws and any applicable terms of service. If your browser or device is managed by a school, workplace, or a parent guardian, you'll need to contact the administrator instead of trying to bypass those controls. First, confirm whether Chrome is managed. Open Chrome, go to Settings, and look near the top of the page under your profile. If you see a note indicating the browser is managed by an organization, certain site permissions and content settings may be locked. In that case, the correct path is to request changes from the administrator. Attempting to circumvent management is not recommended and often won't work. Next, check Google's SafeSearch setting, which can filter explicit results on Google search. On google.com, open Settings, then Search Settings, and locate SafeSearch. If it's on and you don't want filtered results, turn it off and save your changes. Close the tab and try your search again. Keep in mind that this only affects Google search results, not all websites on the internet. If you're using a supervised profile, such as one set up with parental or family controls, those filters may apply across Chrome and other Google services. In that scenario, only the family manager can change the settings. You'll need to request an adjustment from them. Now, review your extensions. Open Chrome's menu, go to Extensions, and look for any content blockers, filter tools, or security add-ons you personally installed that might be restricting access. Temporarily, toggle them off to test. If you see extensions that are locked or say they're installed by your organization, you won't be able to remove or disable them yourself. It can also help to clear cached data if you're still seeing an old block page. In Settings, open Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, and clear cached images and files. This won't remove your saved passwords or bookmarks if you only choose cache. Then, restart Chrome to apply all changes. If a site remains blocked, try an incognito window to rule out cached or signed-in profile effects. If it still doesn't load, the restriction may be at the network or device level, such as your router, ISP, or an operating system control. In those cases, adjust the settings with the account owner's permission, or contact the appropriate support. In this video, we're not covering ways to bypass managed or network-level blocks. Use these steps responsibly and keep your browser up to date for the best results.